Kennedy Akompreko e Japan or Hini Japan. What the Ensembi Ababatuja na etiefo, I'll issue a disclaimer. Say we are dissociating ourselves from Ensema Kennedy Japan. What they Abatuja no. A very, very serious allegations. And you better subscribe and click the notification bell no. And not any doubt screen so see we understand latest news be about once ebeka. So Unima Kennedy Japan and announce I think they are still in court for defamation. Say name say Kennedy Japan was say we'll go announce something in a way and in quotes no. It has been some time now. Now Kennedy Japan Abe Ademo. I don't know whether he has been advised by his lawyers or not, but name. If for nothing at all, we all know Kennedy Japan say he takes matters at heart. Na ye hu say odo awowo emma ne man Ghana interna wo ye bibisa no. He's very, very passionate about Ghana. Interna sometimes he also say wo ye bibisa na sometimes he also say enyama bi enkoso ya wo ba bonten ebe kasa. Yet again Kennedy Japan at the list be aba bonten wo tre. I don't know how he got this list, but list no list no wobobo a lot of people, senior politicians, senior police people, police officers, just say senior business owners, medical practitioners, just say a kuku dam Ghana ha Kennedy Japan tre say a list of a year announced the victims, not just say announced at the list of these people. Abba announced I said that throw ding of Nkrophobia were no announced no. Warrior investigations after are extorting money from them. And no any list at Kennedy Japan, what they are about bonting and what per se Ghana Funia you who say announced no or your evil person. Just like I said, we are dissociating ourselves from Ensema Kennedy Japan, what they are about to bonting no. It's just a reportage we are making. And here for quickly no me person me bought list needs to be a treble. But Adia Kennedy Japan, woman yet here and say, which are the reasons are announced? I didn't say Kennedy Japan say let's not announce you know. He has every information. Just a wafani pa bakwa, nipano ne yiridin, ne mbadin, ne passport number, ne birth date, bibia wo ye juma wo. Just say announce has every information on the person. Na announce to me and trapping nipano. But we are not the video no akoma nipa no ama nipa ne hu ne say o meche wo e wo tips so na wo ye wan hwe ya me de beba abontin titua me na nipa no so ayeden etia wo kan ya ka say a top politician bi a wo ye minister kra no just say anas yes ade ne fa ne ho current minister anas yes ade ne fa ne ho e ma minister na etia anas $35,000 eno ne nsema Kennedy Japan wo de atodwa na wo hwe list a Kennedy Japan de aba abontin ya announce the reasons are we investigating Sankrofono aka ho nti ebia wo bo obi din a wo to me trust say pound of flesh not just say announce we mean say nipa kro no nti say announce list na ono Kennedy Japan wo bo din no wo bo nipa ko ni din na reason wo ho na ebia reason ni ye compensation not just announce say wo just cafe nipa ko no ho and na reason no a pound of flesh not just say announce meaning nipa kro no. Na announce the color coding kra ato sa din din we so nti you know Kennedy Japan list na bokita no say nipa ko ne din no is in green color coding no green na to say announce aye investigation wo nipa ne so awie announce a complete investigation on the person say color coding no yellow na to say announce so like he's still in the process of investigating the person na ni name no say announce or yeah what did just kakese efim crofo we ho fresh allegations at Kennedy Japan say video 2 or 3 weeks ago a video called viral and crofo can say we announce na chado na dien sansem na Kennedy Japan woni Ghana na afei walande e Ghana no na tese wo the list we aba na answer na wo be lande e Ghana wo be bobo sa list the see and say Kennedy Japan say wo call abrochire no senior authorities na treating no Kennedy Japan ni buefu pa semuni ya mobe kaya say Ahmed Swale wo wuye no Kennedy Japan say yehu say America for senator bi tro letter koma America for say Kennedy Japan ba ho a yenhwe ye na okotina TV so show pictures of Ahmed Swale and then Ahmed Swale wo no ono Kennedy Japan eka say enu hunti na nsi wo tu kwan say wo kwa abrochi a eya na wo mo treating like first no ono wo ye beka say say they have a word for it. Diplomatic passport. First no you ebi obey you diplomatic passport into ye be man the diplomatic treatment. But see our kwa send me America for no hwehwe ne nyamam treating no ono Kennedy Japan na won fele well. Na wonim say saa de na si ya Anas Emma saa American senator ebe trust saa letter na fa ono Kennedy Japan ho no ne hunti e na ye ne santi ne buefu a wakọ de game more wode more on Anas eba. Na quickly no me be say me bo enkrofu bi din Echel, Kennedy Japan allege said these are people on Anas, the radar, the list, so Anas, war extorted woman, warrior investigation, a form of one, what they jiska, a bit so what person would go when just because Ebia won new more a want to quabi. Into Ebia one no, yeah, what can I say? Ebia what trot said if I couldn't reason near a pound of flesh. That I say, bet me about say, Anas, if I couldn't air con was assassin who be. Anas na shada ko investigation when the pakono ho abo pese wodi gu ni pakono ni mu ase nti wa chop pound of flesh nti wo bi sa no Anas onko se wo ko jiska e wo ne ho go baka ten say ja asase no ma me wen ja ma me amegu woni mu ase because my year investigation afa ho ama ma chill my entrapel ama ma chill wo video so wan hwe ya amegu woni mu ase we djuma ebe den ebe ball na the pakono ja asase na ma Anas wo se sa na Anas ya wo de jinkrofon sa ase ewo Ghana hasi na wobo bi din ti say Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng say wono no Anas e na she pound of flesh na wasanso bo bi din ti say Kwadwo Owusu Efriye na ebia Kwadwo Owusu Efriye no unim na the very popular MPP politician a your friend Sir John no wono no Kennedy Japan say John ni Anas edeno aka ho wasanso bo fifi kwete awoye NDC politician Kennedy Japan say wono nso e wo list ni mu Anas edeno aka ho wasanso bo Hassan Ayarega yini nim Hassan Ayarega wono nso ye politician wono nso Kennedy Japan say wono nso Anas ye nyama fa ne ho wasanso bo Amwa Eyisi we a military officer. Was also bo obidia a friend Emmanuel Otri, one also a military officer. Na police penny a friend is Cephas Atta, one also Bonidin, say one also Cephas Atta is under the radar of Anas, no Kennedy Japan. But I actually don't know how Kennedy Japan got this list. But only in some Kennedy Japan, what they are about to ja. A year police penny a friend is Cephas Atta. Wasanso bo COP Dampare police penny Dampare wono nso wose wo list no Kennedy Japan list a wo kita no COP Dampare nso kan Kennedy Japan Anas aye na adwen say wo entrape no na trese wo die gu nanimu ase wasanso bo pastor bidin aye friend Peter Ohini Chei say wono nso kan wasanso bo bidin ye friend Francis Opon wono wo ye djuma e wo Cocoa Board was also bo politician big politician wa Ghana dia ya friend Dominic Initiwu wo bo no so din say ono ni din Dominic Initiwu lo say den sorry wan body ni ya mo fan chame was also bo kwache da for ono so ye politician Charles Bishu ye ni Charles Bishu wo no na say Anas expose won ho say omo a aban e de omo ato say wo mo nhwema galamsey ma enye de ma enkoso no ono Charles Bishu no ono no tiano interministerial committee against galamsey no ono no tiano na Anas go expose no say wo bi a wo tiano say ma galamsey enkoso no wo kra wo je bribe ama enkrofo bi akoye galamsey no inti Kennedy Japan na say Charles Bishu na wo list Anas list ne so Anas and then Okosha Charles Bishu na the list no aye green not to say Anas wie he's done with Charles Bishu. But also boss Stephen Oponi of Cocoa Board, the former Cocoa Board of my boss and there abayin edeno akojina court say or say financial loss no. Nti for eno ene nsema ewo ho wɔbɔ nkurɔfo bebree din kyɛ sɛ nkurɔfo a wɔbɔ wɔn din no ɛnyɛ easy na owie na ɔde kyerɛ aso sɛ wɔpɛ sɛ wɔma Ghanafoɔ ho sɛ Anas no but I mean I'm not a lawyer menyɛ lawyer na I think Kennedy Japan is doing yes same way obi bɛka sɛ oh Ken is helping the nation in a way in the end but I feel say Kennedy Japan is even putting himself at risk to the extent say nipa kono one agent a court there for defamation and you are still using your media platform to say these things against him. Any Kennedy Japan say wo kasa wo kan esi so say Anas no why say one ka say oh ebia yes say one say wo kan to say the name can say no I'm just reporting it say ebia wo kan say oh obi say Anas aye say ana it is alleged that and no yen found enko court yin to me found enko court because where you say a alleged a rumor but Kennedy Japan one ka say alleged do wo cases su pi say Anas why you say wabɔ krono or ya kronfo or you within like okensi so the bakwe one e court court in sensem no the last time I see and say wo kosreye say out of court settlement and ku ba kon and the baba on meka and say wo kosreye out of court settlement but still no you come and put this list out and destroy his reputation in a sense no I don't know how this will actually turn up in court but I'm just saying, say Kennedy Japan is putting himself at risk. He's putting himself at risk, you know. I know any in sema edaho. Montreal, I'm wondering our comment box no. It's here for me. That's it.